kitchen is like very upside down, right? Okay, well, it's not upside down, it's just dirty. And like you can see the countertops are like this coloring, and then the stove also these caps, like over time you can see what's happening here. I don't know what this is, but it's not coming out. But yeah, I just scraped them with like I think I need to use wire on here, like if you guys can see this. It bothers me. Ideally I want it to look like that, so I scraped all of them, but these two remained looking weird. I've just left some handy on here, and I'm going to scrape it, like just try to scrape all the oils and whatever that, you know, get left behind, especially like pegi papa and stuff like that. There's like some meal that gets like in here, and I really don't like it. And then here it was from scraping this. So but I've just put handy all over the countertop, and removed everything that was unnecessary on the countertop. And then I just have to wipe the carpets as well, and then mop the floor. Guys, I think I've told you guys before how easily this floor gets dirty, and if you guys can see, there's like some discoloring like on the edges of the tiles. I did discover something I'll show you guys just now. I left it on a part yesterday, and it's a bit cleaner. Like I left it on here, like on the edge of these two tiles, and like in the morning when I mopped it, it looked better. And then there's that pile over there of dishes, and then also I just need to wash these. They're from the stove also, so I'll actually literally wash them and scrape them also with something rough. And then what else do I need to do? Then yeah, after I do that, then I think I'll feel a bit better about everything. But yeah, for now I think I'll just sweep, and then do I sweep? Okay, I'm gonna sweep first, and then I'll work on the countertops. I really don't like having like stuff on the counter, like at all. But because we use the kettle a lot and we use the blender a lot since recently, I'm just gonna leave that there. And then I just have to also, why is this like this? Okay, but yes guys, that's what's happening. So hi guys, so I just don't watch Gomorrah, so I'm gonna clean the countertops first and just like the kitchen part first, before I go do the dishes and start mop. Okay, I'll probably mop as well, but yeah, I wanna watch Gomorrah. Ouch.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, Yeah. How did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need. Tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah. You showed it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Wrong direction, went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you showed it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again now. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, you are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl.
Guys, so this is the towel cleaner. I don't know where my mom got it from, but it's really good. If you're trying to restore your towels back to like their normal color, so these ones, because it's a very light gray, this is really good. You're supposed to dilute it with water, but I feel like it's more powerful without the water, considering that the towels are like damaged and stuff. I'm watching The Good Doctor. That's why my attention is not here. But yeah, it's called Traviata Flooring Systems, and it looks like this. Yeah. I'm gonna mop the kitchen, and then I think we're done for this clean with me vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, just let me know like some things that you learned or things that you guys do, you know, like that could help maybe like make make my cleaning easier. I decided to clean because I had class, right? And I was so exhausted after class, like my brain was just exhausted. So I was just like, let me clean the kitchen, and yeah, I find it very therapeutic only when I feel like it. So that's how I was cleaning, and like right now it's probably like almost 11. I've got one episode of Good Doctor to watch, and then I'll try edit this vlog as well. Is this a vlog? It's a video. I'll try edit that. What else? Yeah guys, thank you for watching.
Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscing of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh